What's up, YouTube gang? It is your boy, the educated weirdo, and I'm here today to talk to you guys about support and resistance. I know in some of my other trading videos you have heard me say support and resistance, and you're probably wondering what in the world is this guy talking about. So we'll get right to it. Support and resistance are levels on the chart that price action goes to, and it hits resistance. It stops in its tracks and it turns and goes in the opposite direction, a reversal, if you may. The reason it does this is because price remembers. So what most traders do, they go back and they look at spots where price actually retraced, the price actually bounced off a certain price point, and they mark that up because they know in the future 9 times out of 10 it's going to repeat that pattern. So if price action is going up, as in here, what I would want to do is go here, and I'm going to go to the horizontal line. And you could do like the point to point also. I do that when I do trend lines. But you mark that spot, okay? And you see, if I go forward, and sometimes it's not going to be exactly aligned. You might have to do, I'll show you something else here. Since you guys are my friend, and I'm going to give you some free knowledge, I will do a channel too. So you might see me do this number here, and then I'll go down like that, and I'll do this number. See, reason being is because price, and I'm on a daily chart here, so I'm zoomed out. Sometimes price will not actually go to just one particular number. It goes to a range. So if you go back, and I haven't even went back to even see if it went. See, it came from way up there though. But if I go back far enough, I probably could find. In fact, yeah. See, if I drew that line all the way out, you notice price is kind of staying somewhat around it. Like right here, you got a couple touches or whatever, and here is around that same area. And if you come back this way, it happens again. So sometimes it may take a while before price will actually go back to a particular area, a particular spot. But eventually, it remembers and it will go there. So what you want to do is, as a trader, you want to find the support and you want to find the resistance. So resistance is actually going to be when it actually reverses and it goes bullish, or it's sorry, I said it wrong. If it's going in a bullish direction, then it hits resistance. Then it's going to turn around and it's going to go bearish. Support is the opposite. It's actually going in a bearish movement and it hits resistance, as in right here. And we're going to draw that up real quick. We'll do it as a channel, but we'll just start over here or something and draw over it. But yeah, so let's go that way on this one. But yeah, so it's going down in a bearish pattern, and then it hits this area, and it hits support, and then it turns around and it goes into a bullish trend. Okay, so as it's trending down in a bearish pattern, and it hits this area, you see it bounces here, comes up a little bit, and it goes back and it bounces there, retest, and then it drops down, but it's still staying in that channel range that I specified, and then it bounced off of that. All right, so as traders, you want to find those areas because those would be your areas of interest. Now, you just don't want to enter the trade just based off these areas alone. You want other confirmations and different things like that, but this is part of the basics in actually trading. So when you hear me on the other videos and I say support and resistance, this is what I'm referring to. So if I'm like, it came down and it bounced off this resistance level or support level here, or resistance level there, and then I say something about the Fibonacci and all this other stuff. We'll get into that on other videos, but I'm using that as a confirmation before I actually draw my Fibonacci retracement or I draw my Fibonacci extension level or whatever. I'm using that as a barrier entry before I do anything else. All right, so don't want to make this video too long, so I'm the educated weirdo. Thanks for tuning in. Try to give you guys free knowledge. We're living in hard times. Everybody else is out here trying to charge you hundreds of dollars or hundreds of dollars a month or $1,000 for their trading courses. If you stick with me on my channel over time, I will reveal everything for free because that's just what I do. All right, much love. Peace.